Hi friends, it's Amy Wilson, and today I want to show you our Get Creative collection for fall 2020. I'm really excited because we have a few new items that I think you're really gonna like. So let's start off with the smallest items first, shall we? This is our Get Creative rectangle pouch. And I love this pouch because it can be used for a gazillion different things. That is a real number, I promise. Right now, I have it used for just those little silica packets that come with our products when they ship. By the way, if you're not keeping these, you absolutely should. They have tons of uses around the house, including, since it's fall, here's a nice little tip for you, including your pumpkins. Once you carve them and put them outside, throw a couple of these in and it will actually preserve the pumpkin. It will not rot. How fun is that? So let me show you this. It does zip closed. It is a nice open space in there, and I love that it's clear so that you can see what's in there. We're not going to restaurants just yet, we're not there yet, but if we were, I would fill one of these with Hallie's little toys and bring them with us because I hate when she's bored. So if you want to do that, you can do that, or if you have multiple children and one of them plays sports and the other one is always bored when you're at the games, throw some toys in here for them and they will have fun in the bleachers. All right, so next up is our Get Creative double pouch. So this is the brand new Twinkling Plum. How gorgeous is that? It's like a rose gold polka dot is what that is. So it's got this pocket in the front. I've got it with school supplies. I got one of these for Hallie with her name on it to put in her desk at school with all of her school supplies. So in that front clear pocket, I've got a little pencil sharpener and 2 erasers. And then inside is a really decent sized space. I've got some scissors, I've got a box of crayons, that's a 24 box, I've got 2 glue sticks, and then a pack of pencils. So lots fit in there. Let me give you a little view of the back of those gorgeous polka dots. So that is the double pouch. And then we have the Get Creative zipper pouch. So this is kind of like a little portfolio. It's great for traveling. If you want to put your passport in here and some other travel documents, this is a really great place to keep that. And then also your headphones, things like that for the kids. This is what I have in mine. This one we used on an airplane a couple months ago, and it was for Hallie. It was actually almost a year ago at this point. Holy cow. All right, so we've got some pens over there. She loves to draw, so I thought this would be a good fun activity for her on the plane. Over here, we've got some washi tape in the zipper pocket. And then back here is just a nice open pocket, and I have a pad of paper. But you can do so many things with this. You can put your sewing tools, your crocheting tools in here. You can, like I said, use it as a passport holder. Back here, you can put your Kindle or your mini iPad. So this all zips up nice for you. Sorry about that. And then there it is, all zipped up. All right, so next up we have our Get Creative Crossbody. So I've got the strap short right now just so you could see it, but it does go all the way crossbody and you can put it around your body. It does have a handle here. This is the window pane print. There's a front pocket here. And then inside, when you open it up, there are 2 mesh zipper pockets. And then on this side, it's kind of like those suitcase straps, right? You guys know what I'm talking about. You could put your planner in here. That's what I plan to use this for. I'm gonna put my planner in here and then all the tools that I use for planning right over here. So let me know in the comments what you're gonna use this for, because I'm dying to know. This would be a great Bible study bag. I like that one a lot. Then we have our tried and true Get Creative Caddy. This is amazing. I use this one, not this particular one, but I have this exact one. I use it for, I just discovered Gel Moment. Here's my pretty nails. And I love their nail polish. And so I bought a kit from them, and it has a dryer and just some fun polishes and a scraper and some remover and all that. So that's what I use mine for. I'm not a super crafty person, I'm not gonna lie, but I know people that are amazingly crafty and I know that they love this collection. So it comes like this and it's all snapped up, and then there's 2 sides that unsnap. So here's the first one. It's got a mesh pocket here, a very large mesh pocket, and then a Velcroed pocket here. And then on this side, once you unsnap it, There is a awesome, huge PVC pocket there. And then on this side, we've got 3 pockets for all of your awesome crafty tools. This is a great scrapbooker's bag. This is a great teacher bag too. And then in the middle is a perfect place for you to put some notebooks, planners, that kind of thing right in there. So this is the Get Creative Caddy. And by the way, this is sunset gold personalization on there. And then I want to show you the big one. I'm just moving some stuff out of the way so you can see this whole thing. So this has a nice crossbody strap as well. This is our large carrier, our Get Creative large carrier. And it's got a nice zipper pocket right there on that flap. It's kind of like a messenger bag. And then when you open it up, that large pocket that you saw is a PVC pocket. And then this is such a large bag and it's reinforced at the bottom. Then look at these fun pockets. You can put all your bobbins and stuff in there. This bag was made for a sewing machine, but again, you can put your yarn in here. I don't know what it's called, but that big fuzzy yarn. I love like the big thick fuzzy yarn. You can fit so many of those in here. I love this. And I'm sitting here like, what can I use it for? Because I love it and I want to use it. So here are the pockets. It's 1 zipper all the way across, but it is 4 small divided pockets. So that is the Get Creative large carrier. And if I didn't say, it does have a reinforced bottom. So there you have it. There is our Get Creative collection for 2020 fall. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will be back with more videos. So check out my YouTube channel. Thanks.